sprayed it. Lovely. What the hell? Huh. This stabilizes the feet, legs, whatever. So this little African store. It says African store right on the front of it. It's African cuisine and meat and fish and that sort of thing. It's right up here on the corner. It's the store that's right on the corner. And I walked in, looked around real quick. I was looking for milk. See if they had it, which they do not. They're a specialty place. I wasn't sure they did or not. And the guy's like, well, I walked in, looked around real quick. They didn't have it. Walked out. The guy who owns the place or runs the place is always sitting outside barbecuing. Every time I see him, that is what he's doing. He's outside barbecuing. It's kind of cool. And, you know, you own a meat market. What are you going to do? You're going to barbecue it. So I came right back out. He's outside. And he's like, well, did you need help with something? Did you find something? He's like, well, I was seeing if you'll carry milk. He's like, oh. And you could kind of tell he was a little disappointed. Because, you know, he, as a store owner, you have to make those decisions, what you are and are not going to carry. And, I mean, you know, he runs a specialty store, so he's not going to carry milk. I just went over there as a lark to see, who knows, maybe they did. Staring down the barrel of a great big thunderhead looking storm cloud up here. It's not going to dump on me. Just say last screw won't hold. It's stripped. Done. It doesn't look too bad. It's a table. Now, where the hell am I going to put it? Because we ain't got no room out here. It's going to have to stay outside.